Panoorin nyo pre, Speed Boost. Napindot. Napindot.
Bobo talaga to si Ray.
Sige din ang baril mo eh, no?
Yo, hey. As the clock strikes 12, I'm by myself ignoring texts from these hoes. Wanna be up on my sheets. Boy, I'm really from the streets. That's why I'm really for the streets. This shit ain't sweet. Ain't no city, boy, you silly motherfucker. I'm a goon. Where to be cooking that smelly thing on a spoon. Galing school, so it's studio. Nagulong hinayaan ng mga nasa labas. Tinayaan na malaki ang pangarap. Kaya ngayong buhay ko eh parang palabas na mala aksyon at saka komedyang kasama ko si Dolby nagkumet.
Aray niya.
Sorry, di ko kasalanan kung lumaki akong pogi ngayon rin. Nakunod sigala, pam pam, manipes, balakang malaki yung pwet.
Uy, may drone ako, tangin na mo.
Pam pam, sa'kin sa personal.
Putang ina nyo, down 7 mga tanga.
Niya ngayon yung tunay, kaya pag sinabi kong wag may gets, tinanong ko siya klaro, sagot niya klaro, masusunod ang gusto mo. Hell, alas 12 na naman, nakaposte, boom, gang, nakastalk, nakabihis, walang problema, magkaanam. Pakiramdam parang yung beat na pinaglalaruan ng dila. Buhay ang diwa o mga tira, malasat diba. I know, stay awoke, motherfucker, stay awoke. If I was Pinocchio, I could poke you with my nose. I'm a liar, yeah, I know. I don't care though, bitch, I'm broke. Yeah, I be sleeping on a kid that be swig with his flow. Yeah, I better stay awoke. Fucking hoe. Stay awoke.
Kaya 12 ako, kaya 12 ako sa RP kasi nagsimula ako mag-RP 12.
Sige, Banso. Okay. Call me ate, okay?
Maasim.
Call me ate, no. Not maasim. Call me ate. No. No. Call me ate, okay?
Why?